Welcome to the 7th video lecture. This lecture is on unit number 3rd. The name of this unit is Quaid, a Great Leader, and it is on the page 24 of your text book. So the title of the lesson is Quaid, a Great Leader. So the very title shows that in this lesson we will be studying about Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and a great leader, some of his leadership qualities. Introduction of the lesson, I have written it here. This lesson is about the leadership quality of Quaid-e-Azam and how all these qualities resulted in the procurement of an independent state, which is Pakistan. There are a few objectives of this lesson. The first one is to bring awareness in students about the life and achievements of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. As he is our founding father, so to keep his memory alive and his achievements alive in our memories, this lesson has been included in your course. And another objective is to apprise students of the sufferings faced by Pakistan in its beginning, because Pakistan was a new state at that time and many of the refugees poured from India here to Pakistan, and the infrastructure and each and everything was in a very weak form. So that is why people went through lots of suffering. So in this lesson we will be touching that as well. There can be another objective as well, and that is to inculcate all these qualities that Quaid-e-Azam had in the students. So some of the qualities are mentioned here in the keywords. You can see that: dedication to one's task, to one's goal, devotion and strong resolve. And then leadership. A leader is a man who does not think of his own self, rather he is thinking of the masses. And then faith in Allah and faith in one's ability, and hard work and perseverance. So Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah had all these qualities. So one of the objectives of this lesson could be to inculcate these qualities in the young people. I have prepared the main crux of this lesson. You can say the summary of this lesson. For detail, you can consult the unit 3rd on page 24, and you can read it carefully. Beside this, we will be trying to address a few questions in this lecture and in this main crux which I have prepared. One of the question is that when did the action in this lesson take place? Another one is what are the different characteristics or qualities of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and what is his achievement, what feat or deed he performed. And there are some people in this lesson, they are gathered and they are shouting Pakistan Zindabad. So why they are doing so? So if we address these few questions in this lecture, then inshallah this unit will be fully covered. So when did the action took place? It is in the first line. On August 7th, 1947, a silver aircraft landed at Maripur in Karachi. So this is the action, at the time of the action. Quaid-e-Azam, who is he? The founder of Pakistan. He is the man who got us freedom, stepped out of it A great number of people were present there in order to welcome him. Why were the people gathered? We asked this question. So, in order to welcome him, because he was their leader who had won Pakistan, a separate Muslim state where they could follow their own code of life. They were all shouting, Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistan Zindabad. When they saw Quaid Muhammad Ali Jinnah coming out of the silver aircraft, so they started shouting Pakistan Zindabad. Now from this line, some of the qualities of Quaid you can find in this line. But Quaid, though a man of strong feelings, he had strong feelings, did not show any sign of excitement. But he wasn't excited because he knew the sufferings of the million of people who were coming from India to Pakistan. He also knew the problems that were ahead of the young nation. Once he went to the balcony of the governor house and looked at the people and smiled. So here he showed a little bit of his excitement. Otherwise he was worried because he was a leader. He was not thinking about his achievements, that I made it possible, I won Pakistan. Rather, he was thinking about the problems that were ahead. By his strong resolve, the people who were once a defeated group, now in this line we are addressing that question, that what Quaid did for us. What are his feats and deeds? The people who were once a defeated group with no prospect for a Muslim state had now their own independent state, Pakistan. So this is his achievement. He won Pakistan for us. 70 million people who had no country to be called their own had become a nation. After a few days, when he landed in Karachi, he told his people that they are free to follow any religion. Now this guaranteed the civic equality, following your own way of life, your own culture, traditions, customs and religion. And Quaid announced that each and every one is free in this state of Pakistan, or to go to any place of worship they would like to. He was of course reminding them of the Holy Prophet ﷺ's teaching. If you remember, during the Khutbah Hujjatul Wada, the Holy Prophet ﷺ delivered the same message to the people, that everybody, each and everyone is equal in the eyes of Allah, and no one is superior, and each and everybody is free. So Quaid was reminding the same thing to the people of Pakistan, that all men are equal in the eyes of Allah. So this was a brief introduction and summary of the lesson. For detail you can study the unit, and if you are facing any problem, so kindly text me in my WhatsApp personally. Thank you very much.